In this video, we will learn how to use Yardi software. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on their official website. After creating an account, you can request a demo on their software, which typically includes an overview of a platform's capabilities to your business needs. Once a demo is scheduled, a Yardi representative will guide you through the various features of the software. This includes a walkthrough of models such as property management, accounting, and leasing tools, along with how they integrate to your streamline in your daily operations. During the demo, you'll see how to use the software to track leases, management, rent, payments, and handles. You will have the opportunity to ask questions about specific features, customizations, and how the software can be tailored to your business' unique need. Once you're familiar with the platform and features, you can explore trial versions or request further assistance to help integrate Yardi in business processes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.